Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you all for your support. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for January 14th, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 1 Uinal, and the 6 Kin. This long count position emphasizes finding your natural rhythm. Progress is made not by force, but by consistency and harmony with your own pace. The 6 Kin is about balance, rhythm, alignment, and flow. Today invites you to stabilize momentum. What you started recently now needs rhythm rather than urgency. When actions feel smooth instead of strained, you know you're aligned. You're being asked to establish a simple, repeatable routine and to adjust pacing by slowing down or speeding up as needed. This is also the time to focus on consistency over intensity and to let your body guide timing and effort. Before I move on to the Tzolk'in calendar, I'm also translating the entire Tzolk'in 13-day cycle in its own video. If you're interested, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 10 Ben. Ben is represented by the reed. It's about integrity, spiritual leadership, ethical alignment, and strength through humility. The number 10 is a number of manifestation, realization, and visible results. Together, 10 Ben is a day of embodied integrity. Leadership today is quiet, upright, and principled. This is not about control. It's about standing firmly in truth and allowing others to feel supported by your steadiness. What you've been cultivating internally now becomes visible through how you show up. You're being asked to lead by example rather than instruction, and to align your words and actions carefully. This is also a time to strengthen personal boundaries with calm confidence. Lastly, offer stability to others without self-sacrifice. Now, let's see what the Hab calendar has to say. Today's date is 1 Sek. Sek is about cleansing, reordering, and the restoring of harmony. Day 1 is about early momentum and gentle activation. 1 Sek continues the cleansing cycle begun yesterday. Today's energy supports small corrective actions by restoring order one step at a time. This is subtle but powerful purification. You're being asked to organize priorities for the week ahead and to restore balance where things feel slightly off. It's also a time to choose simplicity over excess. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about finding your rhythm and stabilizing movement, and the Tzolk'in is about standing in your integrity and letting your presence speak. The Hab calendar reflects cleaning, reordering, and simplifying the environment. Together, this day teaches us that balance creates strength, integrity creates trust, and order creates ease. Today carries the collective energy of ethical grounding and rhythmic progress. There is a shared invitation to slow reactive patterns and to rebuild stability through consistency, honesty, and care. True leadership restores balance. It does not rush or dominate. Today supports calm authority. You don't need to prove anything. Your steadiness is enough. And when you honor your rhythm and stand upright in truth, life responds with ease. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars. But please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I move in harmony with my truth. My integrity creates balance, strength, and ease. Thank you all for your support.